In this video, we will learn about ordered dictionaries in Python. The important thing about ordered dictionaries is that they remember the insertion order. So when we iterate over them, they return values in the order they were inserted. We can use collections ordered dict. Let's see an example. On my Ubuntu Linux, I will use editor, gedit, and first need to import from collections import or order dict, and now create order dict only ordered dict and add key and values such as 1 equals to 1 and order dict 2 keys 2 and value digit 2 and on 3 and equals 3. Now we will iterate the values and print out key and values. So we'll use for loop for k and v key and value in od dot items, and we just gonna print key and value. Let's just save it and run it. Order dict dot py, just need to minimize it, and I will open another terminal. To run our program, I need to just type Python order dict.py. You can see it printed those keys and values as they were inserted. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep posting on programming videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching.